Hey friends, my name is Varinder and welcome you to my YouTube channel Cloud Ninja. So today we'll study about Amazon Web Services history, that how Amazon Web Services evolved and how it became one of the biggest cloud platform onto the planet Earth. So let's move on to the first slide and see that how it actually got started. So my dear friends, since you are into this AWS study, you might have heard a story that Amazon was having a lot of spare hardware that, as a result of which Amazon started renting that hardware out and this AWS came into picture. But my dear friends, believe me, I did a lot of research and found that that particular story was not true. This actually started between the Black Benjamin and Pink Ham in about year 2002-2003. When actually they were having a discussion that the way the Amazon.com was growing, information technology division was not able to provide the service level or up to the service to the business the way it was growing. So at that time, there was a discussion going on between both of them that there should be something that, they should provide value to the Amazon Web Services. And then discussion continued. And one day they came to a conclusion and they did the decision that the abstraction and decoupling of a couple of applications which were running in the Amazon infrastructure, they were managed to they actually managed to do some changes in the infrastructure, and they saved a lot of hardware into that, and they actually thought that it could be a lot of value in doing that, and as a result they first started the SQL service, simple queue service, which we'll study in our subsequent videos, that how that service helps during the integration of the applications. So this is how in 2003 AWS started, and then as discussed 2004 they launched their first service, SQS, simple queue service, which we learned about in our subsequent videos. Similarly, in 2006 Amazon was launched officially, and they made the public announcement for the Amazon Web Services which they were having. In 2007, Amazon, I still remember, I was in Mumbai at that point of time. Amazon declared that actually 180,000 developers signed up for AWS, and at that point of time, just to populate that and to bring a word of mouth into the market, Amazon also gave $1,000 vouchers to the developers who actually found a bug into the AWS console or the services which Amazon was providing. So at that point of time, it got a lot of popularity into the market. In 2010, they actually transferred their Amazon.com website or retail business they are having, through which they are doing. They transferred to the AWS infrastructure. So from there, actually, they learned number of things, that how it could be beneficial for the other players into the market, other websites which are there. So from there onward, it started evolving in a much more speedy manner. In 2012, they launched their first reInvent conference. Let me give you a reference about the reInvent. Is basically they are doing it now since 2012, in which Amazon displays or tells about a number of new services which is offering or are present to the AWS. So I attended the 2016 conference in Mumbai, and really, and a couple of my friends also. So it was a lot of fun. So in 2013, they officially launched a couple of certifications. They started with the associate level certifications, and then the professional level certification. Last year in 2016, they launched the beta version of the AWS security certification. So this is how it is, growing pretty fast. And in 2015, they officially declared a revenue more than of 6 billion, which is a huge amount within a very short span of time. In becoming such a big service provider. So the number of services offered increased per year. So they grown into a drastical manner. So number of services they offered in 2011, it was around 80 plus. In 2012, the number grown from 80 to 155 plus. 2013, the number was around 270. In 2014, it was around 500 plus. 2015 was 700 plus services. And if you look into the console right now, I think there are about 900 plus services as of today. And let's move on to the first slide. It is the Gartner Magic Quadrant report. As we all know that Gartner is a very big, research firm which publish its reports basically on the basis of research they do into the market. So as per their Magic Quadrant, which is on the ability to execute and the completeness of vision. So when the study was done onto the various cloud platforms which are there into the planet Earth, they actually found that there are a couple of niche players like VMware, IBM, Backspace, CenturyLink, which they are growing, but their vision is not as big, and the way they are executing their services is not up to the mark. But when the point comes to the leaders, so Amazon is or AWS is the number one, and AWS is number one from last 5 or 6 years. Microsoft is also growing, day by day, and I would say that Microsoft has an added advantage that all the big enterprises, they are already using the Microsoft product, and Microsoft is taking advantage. It knows that what kind of infrastructure those enterprises are having, and it is easier for the Microsoft to sell its cloud services. So that is why Microsoft is growing at a very rapid speed. And Google is also into the visionaries, and we are listening that Google is also offering a couple of services into the Amazon cloud. So this is a recent snapshot I have taken from August 2016 report. So this is the way, and it is AWS is growing pretty fast, and you can see that it is the number one cloud platform onto the planet Earth, offering large number of services, and even Fortune 500, 1000 companies are using the AWS platform. So thank you, my friends, for watching this video. And if you really like this video, do hit like button, and do share this video with your friends so that maximum to maximum people can learn that what AWS is, and they can increase their market value. And in case you are an entrepreneur, it would be helpful for you to build your infrastructure onto the AWS. Thank you, my dear friends. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.